So guys, today I'm going to show you my new Crompton Avancer ceiling fan. I have purchased it a month ago. I've already installed it and unboxed it. Today I'm going to show you it's working. So guys, it's Crompton Grace ceiling fan. It's electric, one fan. I have already settled the blades. Today I'm going to show you the fan. It's an anti-dust fan. I have purchased the baker's brown color, this color. Warranty card, its features and its contents. So now, see the fan. This is the fan. The new Crompton Grace fan. So now I will operate it and show it to you. Now it is on speed 1. I will increase the speed 2. Then it's on 3. So full speed. And this max speed. It is like high speed fan. It has a very good speed and a good air sweep. So guys, I got this fan at the price 2,800. You can purchase it if you want.